Hi, welcome to 10027 Fenway out in Eastridge subdivision. It's a gorgeous subdivision, very sought after, gorgeous homes out here. Everything you find in this neighborhood is a custom home. So this home is no exception. It's a home that's a Tudor style home. It's not something very common in the area, but it's a very classical look. The home looks huge. It's all in one story, minus one bonus bedroom that's upstairs, but everything else is one story. So if you're looking for that one story home, all in one level, this it's not exactly that, but it should work for you. Just have that extra bonus up there. 5 bedrooms, more space than you could think of. It's got tons of storage everywhere. 3,153 square feet throughout the home. So it's a huge home. Like I mentioned, mostly in one level, right? Close by this neighborhood, you have schools, you have parks, you have a lot of things you can walk around too. Inside the house here, like you see behind me, you see a little bit of the kitchen. It's been remodeled. It's kind of like a farm style kitchen in here. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. So it's got all the works. Lighting, something that I really like about this house is that everything's been retextured. Popcorn ceiling, it's an older home, so the popcorn ceiling has been completely removed, and you got recessed lighting throughout the home. So that makes a huge difference for the lighting, for also the way the house looks. The house feels very updated. And also, not just the lighting that was added, but the windows. It's got tons of windows with shutters, so you can make this home be super bright or super dark, or whichever way you like. If you like those plants, you like plants out in the house, you have tons of windows, tons of spaces to put those plants and help them thrive. I know plantings are important. Out back, you have a huge lot. It's got parking in the back side of the house. You can come in through the front or the back. If you have multiple vehicles, you can do that. But out back, you have tons of space, mature trees. Something I really like, I like fruit trees a lot. So I counted fig trees, there's a grapevine, and there's some pomegranate trees out in the back. So it's also a little bonus. And on the side of the house, this is a really unique feature. You have a courtyard with the water features, like a classical fountain. It's a courtyard, it's private, your neighbors can't see you, but you can still be out there enjoying the El Paso weather, the beautiful views, the trees around the neighborhood. So it's a great spot to go hang out and have some coffee in the mornings. And the flooring through the house has also been completely redone. It's tiled throughout. Most of the house, some of the rooms have other kinds of floorings, like the bonus rooms upstairs, but most of the house has this beautiful fall wood tile flooring. You have accent walls throughout the house, which is kind of like behind me here. It's brick. It's not veneer. It's actually a brick wall that houses a fireplace, but it stands out. It does amazingly with the contrast with the updating of the home. So that looks great. Something that this home is a big plus in this home as well is you have, like I mentioned, schools and things around here, but you're really a quick drive away from the fountains, the shops of the fountains, which is a very popular place to be in El Paso. Tons of shopping and restaurants. You're probably 10 minutes or less to the airport. So you don't have to worry about rushing, fighting traffic or anything to get to the airport when you do need to fly out. So this home's location and features are amazing. This is a home that something like this does not come in the market very often. So this one's here. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to follow for our future listings.